Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. We've got another bag of Happy Mail. Now it's not from Lovecrafts, it says Lovecrafts but it's not from Lovecrafts. So it's from my friend Liz Fox. And we're going to open this up and it's packed full of yarn. If I can find, I'm just going to get it here. Now she said that she's put it into this bag because she didn't have another one big enough to put it in. And let's get this opened. Absolutely amazing. Now Liz and I have been chatting on WhatsApp for quite a little bit and we've become firm friends. Oh, look at that. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. What were you making? What were you making, Liz? Let's have a look. Oh, this is a nice bag. She's been making something with this and then given up. Oh, why did you give up? Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. What were you making with that, Liz? Oh, you were doing a zigzag. Look at that. That's pretty. It's called CC Babe. CC Babe. CC Babe. Years that you were trying out with this yarn. That's amazing. I'm going to pop it back into that bag. I'll pop that back into there and mummy's after the bag. You can't have it, not that one. Not that one. That is amazing. Thank you. Oh, you've got something else down in there. What's that? You've been trying out different blankets with this yarn, Liz. Look at that. That's pretty. Oh, it's a little version of that sort of crossover one that I did. That's really dainty. Look at that. Well, ladies, you're getting a little view of what you can actually do with some of this yarn. You're not having it, no. That's so pretty. Pop that back in there. Look at that. That is so pretty. Thank you so much, Liz. Absolutely amazing. And we've got, oh, look at this. Look at that. That is beautiful. Look at the colours in that. Absolutely amazing. There's two of these. Oh, I've just pulled the label off of that one. There is a label for it. Look at that. I'm going to put that one in my basket. Oh, they're not the same. Oh, look at that pattern. That is so pretty. That's granny squares that's made up of. That is so pretty. The colour on this one is 55411. It's 100 grams. That's 360 metres. And let's check the number on 55415. Oh, it is the same. It's the same one. Look at that. That is so, so pretty. There's all your greens and that in there. That is so pretty. I love that. Thank you so much, Liz. I'll pop that into my box. And look at this. This is baby double knitting. That is so pretty. Always having a clear out. Look at that. New fashion double knitting by Woolcraft. It's 100 gram balls and it's so pretty. That is beautiful. It's beautiful. It tells you to use a 5mm crochet. No, it's a 4.5mm crochet hook. It's 100 grams. That is, it doesn't tell you on our ones. Oh, it's 300 meters and it's 100% acrylic, but it's really, really soft. Now, I didn't tell you that other coloured stuff was soft. It really is. I was just taken aback a little bit with that pink bag of yarn with the crochet items that that you weren't finishing. But I'll do something with it. Don't you worry about that at all. I'm going to pop that there. Look at this. This is so pretty. Now there's oh, this is Stylecraft. That is so pretty. Oh, look at that. So soft. This is apricot, the colour on this. Liz has sent me some of this before in different colours. That is absolutely beautiful. It's a double knitting, and that's such a different colour, isn't it? From pink. I think that one might be a different one. It looks different in the bag. Oh, it's apricot as well. I'll pop that back in the bag, and then I'll pop it into my plastic box that I've got here. Oh, this is absolutely amazing, Liz. Amazing. Look at that, the little knitting essentials. That's so pretty. Look at that. And this is a Poundland one. This is a UK Poundland. You get 3 balls for 3 for 2. It's the price. You get 3 balls for the price of 2. And that is such a pretty, pretty colourway. Look at this. And again, the shops that I've got around me don't have it. They just don't have it. They just don't do it. That is so pretty. These are 50-gram balls of yarn. It's so nice. What colour does it say it is? It says it's aqua. It's just a little mixed aqua colour. It's so pretty, baby yarn, and it's nice and soft as well. I'll pop that in my box. This is amazing, absolutely amazing. Oh, look at the colours of this. JBC Brett. Now, we were talking about that on WhatsApp, and that is absolutely beautiful. And it's so soft. Look at that is beautiful. It's 100 grams. The shade on this one is MT1, and I think this is a different one. It looks different. This one is MT24. This is a caramel sort of colours. Look at that, and it's so soft. And the marble effect in it is absolutely beautiful. And there's a grey one. Now, don't worry about, this is a grey colourway, like one ball of yarn. One ball of yarn makes 2 socks. It makes 2 socks, depends on the size you're making them right enough. 2 slippers, it makes a hat. One ball will make a hat. It'll make a small child's comfort blanket. So there's lots of things that you can make with one ball or one skein of yarn. Honestly, you can make little thin scarves as well that turn out quite long too. And there's another one of that caramel coloured one that is so pretty. I love JBC Brett's marble. And I've said before, the very first ball of variegated yarn that I got was a JBC Brett marble, and it was all colours of blue. It was a bigger ball than this though, and the reason I got it, I actually got it cheap, and the reason I got it cheap was because 2 of them didn't have a label, and they were all messed up. Do you know when they're in the store and people pick them up and they have a look and they have a poke around and it all comes out and it was just like a big ball of mess, and I got them really cheap. And then I just sat there one night watching the TV, winding it all up into a ball, and it was amazing. It was beautiful and soft. I made myself some slippers and that, and that's about 2 years ago that I did that. And I made a hat and I made a scarf, and I think my daughter ended up with them as well. And that is beautiful, Liz. It's beautiful. And I want to thank you for your friendship as well. We've become firm friends. Quite a few of the ladies, or most of them, I've got them on my WhatsApp now, and we have chats all the time, and I show them what I'm making and whether I'm using the yarn that they sent to me, and I show them all the projects that I've been working on, and this is amazing, and it's brilliant, and it gives us both someone to talk to as well. It stops you from being alone, doesn't it? It stops you from being alone. And she's been crocheting for a long, long, long time as well. Her work is amazing. It really is. Liz, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sending this. Muttley's going to love the bags. Muttley inadvertently gets toys from the bags. And I'll say it again, he doesn't eat them. He just rips them up, he spits the bits out, and he hides his ball inside it. And I put his ball in and I tie it in for him. And it keeps him happy and it gives him something to do, especially when it's pouring with rain. So anyway, thank you so much, Liz. This is amazing. I really appreciate your generosity. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please click on the subscribe button. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Elizabeth. I'm giving you your Sunday name. Liz, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the Happy Mail. And everyone who's sent me Happy Mail over the past few months, I'd like to thank you all. It really is very much appreciated. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.